Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sakitnet 2. I should use a vice. This is fine. Today's episode, a little bit of update and upgrading on the G23. I've had an episode where I replaced these inserts from a no-name brand to a 1320-75A inserts, but I want a little bit more comfortable, so I'm going to try to swap it with a 65A. I've already done the rear, the tranny mount, and I drove it around, and there's really is a difference. So I said I'm going to try replace the driver's side. So it's not really that hard to do. So if you own one of those no-name brand eBay mounts, if you want some comfortable ride, yeah, you could invest on one of these. This is not bad. It's all right. All right. I'm gonna put this in the vise and I'll be back. There you go. All set to go. And I also got one of these. I have been wanting to to get one of these and put it on my old scavenge line. I got some tie wraps holding those hoses together, and very inexpensive. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put two of these. I'll be doing a little bit of a cosmetic upgrading. All right. And it's not bad looking at all. Next is the mount. Alright, get in there. Okay. Okay. Remove the rag and the jack underneath. Lower it. that is not bad looking. It's a lot better than using a tie wrap, I should say. Okay, now that is done, I'm going to start it up, and I could actually tell if it's no good or not before I could actually feel the vibrations coming here during idle. But like I said, I have already replaced the rear side, and I took it out for a ride, and I kind of like it, so I said I'm gonna change that one. This one here is to be determined. I don't want this motor to be flexing on a 65A. Yeah, this thing could be will be moving a whole lot this time. Maybe sometime in the future I will get those torque mounts. Put one here in the transmission side, and that should take care of the flexing. You know, this motor, it only have a fast idle thermal valve. You know, when you first start it up, that the RPM is like 1500, it would have been all right. You know, the slapping noise, you could hardly hear it. I mean, you heard it earlier, but now the RPM is like 1,000 or so, and it sounds so bad. Anyway, oh yeah, before I can really feel it here, and also here, it's gone. Yeah, before I could feel it here in the dashboard. Okay, I kind of like it. Yeah, before I could not put any coins in here, but yesterday when I drove it around, after I replaced the rear side, the tranny side, yeah, now I could put my coins. See, that's where I place all my coins because it makes too much sound. But man, that is a good upgrade. For some of you guys that wanted or could not decide, I forgot what to call the rating on this, but this is the 75. This is a 65 right here. 65, you can't go wrong on 65. All right, I am not sponsored by 1320 or anything like that, but the cheapest you could get is 1320. Yeah, what a difference this thing makes. Yeah, all right, but I think the motor is already on the temperature, and I'm gonna go out there and give it a quick test and give you an update what I think about the ATI also. Let's go. It's perfect, man. I have no complaint on this inserts. It's a lot better than the 75A. It's perfect. I'm glad I got that thing all replaced. Otherwise it will have all these vibrations. in the cabin. Perfect. Alright, the update that I'm talking about is the ATI. It is perfect. I am glad I got that balancer put on there. It just, I could not ask anything more, man. Especially on the higher RPM. I highly recommend it for you guys to get one of those. I mean, if you can save up, get that. It's just really well worth the money. Especially if you delete your balance shaft. Yeah, it's perfect, man. There's nothing wrong with the 75A, the one that I got on there before. I just want a little bit of comfort. All right, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye, everyone. And look who's here.